Are you looking for the best sublimation printers? In this video we will look at some of the best sublimation printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sawgrass SG500. When it comes to the world of sublimation printing, the Sawgrass SG500 stands out as a top contender, especially for beginners. With a printing method of dye sublimation and a maximum printer resolution of 4880 by 1200 pixels, this printer offers exceptional quality. The print speed of approximately 15 seconds for an 8.5 inches by 11 inches full color print ensures that your projects are completed in a timely manner. During my personal experience with the Sawgrass SG500, I found the print quality to be crisp and vibrant. The dye sublimation method allowed for smooth transitions between colors, and the high resolution made even the most intricate designs come to life. The speed of printing was impressive, allowing me to complete multiple projects in a short amount of time. This feature is particularly beneficial for small business owners who need to meet tight deadlines. The Sawgrass SG500 offers versatile media handling options, with a maximum print size of 8.5 inches by 14 inches and the ability to handle various paper types such as sublimation paper, cardstock, and transfer paper. The possibilities are endless. The paper capacity of a 250 sheet input tray adds to the convenience. The flexibility in media handling allowed me to experiment with different projects, from t-shirt designs to mugs. The generous paper capacity meant fewer interruptions for refills, enhancing the overall workflow. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the Sawgrass SG500 adapts to your needs. In today's connected world, the Sawgrass SG500 doesn't fall short. With interfaces like USB 2.0, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi, and support for both Windows and macOS, connectivity is a breeze. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET2800. In a world where printer frustrations often hinge on depleted ink cartridges and continual replacement costs, the Epson EcoTank ET2800 sublimation printer emerges as a beacon of innovation. Tailored for the modern household, this printer combines functionality with economy, ensuring that your family's printing needs are not only met but surpassed. Its sleek design, available in both standard and black editions, ensures that it seamlessly fits into any home, office or study space. What sets the EcoTank ET2800 apart is its game-changing cartridge-free approach. Say goodbye to the unexpected halts in your printing sessions. The EcoFit ink bottles are not only easy to refill but also guarantee a prolonged lifespan. A printer's essence lies in its print quality, and with genuine Epson craftsmanship, each print mirrors perfection. Moreover, the inclusion of a high-resolution scanner elevates it from a mere printer to an all-in-one solution for homes. And for those concerned about value, consider this. The sublimation printer not only promises savings in the future but also gifts you with a generous 2-year ink supply, ensuring that running out of ink becomes a phrase of the past. This isn't just a printer, it's a testament to Epson's commitment to revolutionizing home printing. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET4800. In the vast galaxy of printers, some stars shine brighter than others. Enter the Epson EcoTank ET4800, a beacon for those in search of efficiency, economy, and excellence. Cartridge replacements can be a hassle, but with the ET4800's revolutionary design, it's a relic of the past. This sublimation printer isn't just a machine, it's an experience tailored for the bustling dynamics of a home office. Equipped with cartridge-free technology and a promise of unparalleled print speed and quality, the ET4800 is your steadfast ally in every print task. Bypass frequent cartridge changes. With the ET4800, you have up to 2 years of ink ready to go right out of the box. Plus, with each replacement ink bottle set, you're looking at the equivalent of about 90 individual cartridges, a massive saving of up to 90% in comparison to traditional ink cartridges. Your home office demands quality, and with genuine epson print prowess. Every document radiates professionalism. With an auto document feeder combined with a top-tier scanner and copier, multitasking becomes a breeze, ensuring you make the most of every minute. Eco-fit ink bottles not only ensure precision but also pledge to be an environmentally conscious choice. In the search for the best sublimation printer for beginners, the Epson EcoTank ET4800 emerges not just as a contender, but as a game changer. It's not merely about getting the job done, it's about redefining what you thought was possible in a home office setting. Number 4. Epson Workforce WF7720. The Epson Workforce WF7720 multifunction printer can produce wide format prints and tabloid-sized scans. Epson models with wide format printing capabilities are useful in and of themselves because of the extra room they give you to work with when creating designs and printing them on t-shirts of a variety of sizes, up to XL. However, keep in mind this will be a converted Epson sublimation printer. Among the many high-quality productivity and convenience features that this sublimation printer possesses is a single-pass auto-duplexing automatic document feeder, ADF. More than 500 sheets of paper can be processed through the WF7720 thanks to its two 250-sheet paper trays and a single sheet override tray. This model's two cassettes can be organized to hold transfer paper with dimensions of up to 13 by 19 inches, as well as 20 sheets of high-quality picture paper. We should expect this model to be larger than standard inkjet printers, measuring in at 16.5 inches by 22.3 inches by 17.8 inches so that it can handle printing on extra wide media. Maybe the most visible upgrade to the WF7720 is the updated control panel. The touchscreen is nearly an inch wider in area, making it simpler to touch icons in a hurry, and the buttons and number pad are bigger and more aesthetically good-looking, as well. Touch controls were incorporated, and Epson also included a set of physical buttons next to the screen for quick access to the most commonly used features. Adjusting the screen's viewing angle is as easy as tilting it up or down. The WF7720 lives up to Epson's tradition of excellent printing with its superior output. All of the font sizes we printed, from the tiniest 8 to the largest 96, turned out well, making them ideal for dye sublimation printing of not just photos but also captions and supplementary line art. Epson's Workforce WF7720 is a great option for a multifunction desktop printer because it supports sublimation special ink and allows for the same results as expected from the best sublimation printer for shirts. Number 5. Sawgrass SG1000. The SG1000 is one of the Sawgrass printers that don't need third-party sublimation ink to work. As this is a true sublimation printer, it meets the needs of professional printing while yet being user-friendly for novices. As you take the Sawgrass SG1000 out of the box, you'll notice that it's exactly as small and sleek as the SG5000 we just talked about. Everything you need to get the most out of your new purchase, including a power cord and a USB cable, is included in the package. Setup is straightforward and doesn't require a lot of time or effort. The SG1000 is the company's high-end model because of its greater printable area. While the SG5000 can only print on an area of 8.5 by 14 inches, the SG1000 has an expandable area of 13 by 19 inches, allowing it to make designs for plus-size t-shirts. The right sublimation printer is one that will be inclusive to all sizes, ranging from extra small to extra large, and beyond. The Sawgrass SG1000 printer is highly recommended if you need high-quality output. The built-in color correction technology is especially helpful for novice users, as it guarantees consistent results when printing. This machine is one of the greatest sublimation printers on the market since it is powered by Sawgrass state-of-the-art ultra-high definition, UD, printing technology.